Hey guys, this is Abigail from VideoProc.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly split a video. So you can split a large video file for backup or split it into 15 seconds for Instagram stories. Let's get started. First, open the video splitter VideoProc. If you haven't installed it, I will put the download link in the description box. Click Video into the video processing panel. Add the video you want to split. Then go to the Toolbox. Double-click Split. You see a few options to choose. Here you may set how many segments you need. Then VideoProc will automatically calculate for you. For example, I will set it to 7. Or you can split video into equal parts. Here I will set it as 15 seconds for Instagram stories. Also, on the left you can adjust the video length you need, like 27 seconds, and VideoProc will adjust it for you. Click Done and tap Run. Just make sure you have enabled hardware acceleration, so it will split your file quite fast. After processing, here you can see the split files. So that is how you can split videos. If you have any large files to split, like 4K videos, definitely try it. And it has no watermark. Thank you for watching.